Number 1. 1966 Dodge D100 sweptline short bed 2WD, $4,500. Payette, Idaho. This 1966 Dodge D100 sweptline short bed is a highly desirable classic Mopar pickup with excellent restoration potential. Powered by a 383 cubic inch V8 with a 4-barrel carburetor and headers, it offers considerably more performance than a stock D100. The rebuilt 7-27 automatic transmission and new torque converter are major highlights. The seller notes that the engine runs well, while the straight, rust-free body and good glass significantly increase its value. Although it needs tires and some finishing work, the included parts and available replacement seats make it an attractive project. Sweptline-era Dodge trucks have become increasingly collectible due to their unique styling and limited production. Number 2. 1989 Ford F-250, $3,750, White Rock, New Mexico. This 1989 Ford F-250 is a dependable heavy-duty pickup powered by Ford's legendary 460 cubic inch big block V8 and paired with an automatic overdrive transmission. Showing 160,650 miles, it appears to have been maintained as a reliable work truck. Equipped with towing accessories including a trailer brake controller, it remains highly practical today. The 460 engine is famous for its strong torque and long-lasting durability, making this truck a solid choice for enthusiasts seeking a classic Ford capable of hauling and towing with ease. Number 3. 1977 Chevrolet Scotsdale C20 Camper Special, $4,500, Snohomish, Washington. This 1977 Chevrolet Scotsdale C20 Camper Special is an impressive survivor, equipped with a 350 cubic inch V8 and a 4-speed manual transmission. Recent maintenance includes a new Edelbrock carburetor, manifold, fuel system components, alternator, and more. The seller believes the 89,248-mile reading is original, adding to its appeal. Excellent glass, a clean dashboard, and strong mechanical condition make this truck stand out. Camper Special models were specifically engineered to carry slide-in campers and remain highly respected among Chevrolet truck collectors. Number 4. 1989 Chevrolet S10 4x4, $3,500, Blue Valley, Colorado. This 1989 Chevrolet S10 4x4 is a rugged compact pickup that continues to perform despite its 230,478 miles. The four-wheel drive system reportedly works very well, and the truck starts reliably. The extended cab adds practicality while the interior remains remarkably well preserved. Minor oil leaks, a missing muffler, and a passenger window electrical issue are relatively minor concerns. First-generation S10 trucks have gained popularity among collectors due to their durability, simplicity, and growing nostalgic appeal. Number 5. 1967 Ford F100, $3,000, Edgewood, Washington. This 1967 Ford F100 offers a solid opportunity for someone seeking an affordable classic truck project. Powered by a 6-cylinder engine and equipped with the traditional 3-speed column shift manual transmission, it reportedly ran when parked 3 years ago. The truck now cranks, but does not start and comes with a new battery. As part of Ford's highly regarded fifth-generation F-Series lineup, this model remains popular among restorers due to its clean styling and excellent parts availability. Number 6, 1957 Chevrolet Truck Project, $2,700, Oxnard, California. This 1957 Chevrolet pickup presents an affordable entry into the classic truck hobby. Equipped with a 350 cubic inch V8 and turbo 350C automatic transmission, it also includes an additional engine and transmission package. Although it has been parked for several years and currently lacks a fuel tank, the clean title and included components provide a strong foundation for restoration. Chevrolet trucks from the 1950s continue to be among the most desirable platforms for custom builds and hot rods. Number 7, 1954 International R150, that's $1,500, Jordan, Montana. This 1954 International R150 is a classic heavy-duty work truck featuring a 6-cylinder engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. Designed with a 12,500-pound gross vehicle weight rating, it was built for demanding commercial use. International harvester trucks are less common than comparable Ford and Chevrolet models, making this R150 an interesting and distinctive collector vehicle. At this price point, it represents an affordable entry into vintage truck ownership. Number 8, 1959 Ford F-250, $3,500, Granby, Missouri. This 1959 Ford F-250 combines classic styling with dependable mechanicals. Powered by the durable 223 cubic inch inline-6 engine and backed by a 4-speed manual transmission, it remains a running and driving project truck. The body is relatively straight, though minor rust and a needed head gasket replacement should be addressed. Included extra wheels and tires add value. Late 1950s Ford trucks have become increasingly sought after due to their bold styling and rugged construction. Number 9, 1964 Chevrolet 3/4-ton pickup truck, $5,000, Hercules, California. This 1964 Chevrolet 3/4-ton pickup is a versatile classic, equipped with a low-mileage V8 engine and a 3-speed automatic transmission. Additional features include a steel long bed, tow hitch, stake pockets, weld racing wheels, and a new battery. The truck remains useful for light hauling while offering strong restoration potential. Chevrolet's 1960 through 1966 truck generation is widely admired for its clean design and dependable engineering. Number 10, 1947 International KB1 pickup truck, $24,500, Reno, Nevada. This remarkable 1947 International KB1 is one of the most historically significant trucks available. Remaining within the same family since new, it includes original purchase documents, registration paperwork, and even the original window sticker. Showing just 43,273 original miles, it also comes with antique license plates, a period canvas camper, and a vintage window-mounted air conditioner. Trucks with documented single-family ownership and extensive provenance are extremely rare, making this KB1 highly collectible. Number 11, 1999 Ford F-150 4.2, $800, Fort Worth, Texas. This 1999 Ford F-150 offers affordable transportation or project potential. Powered by Ford's reliable 4.2-liter V6 engine and paired with an automatic transmission, the truck experiences intermittent starting issues but remains complete and titled. At this price, it could serve as a useful work truck, parts donor, or budget repair project. The 10th generation F-150 remains one of the most recognized and successful truck platforms ever produced.
Number 12, 1972 Ford F100 V8, $20,500, Renton, Washington. This 1972 Ford F100 is a desirable classic pickup, equipped with a rebuilt V8 engine and automatic transmission. The truck reportedly runs and drives but requires a starter replacement. A clean title and operational drivetrain make it an attractive project for enthusiasts seeking a straightforward repair. The 1967 through 1972 Ford F-Series generation remains one of the most collectible truck designs Ford ever produced. Number 13, 1977 Ford F-150 Explorer, $3,500, Albuquerque, New Mexico. This 1977 Ford F-150 Explorer is a well-equipped long bed pickup powered by a 400 cubic inch V8 and a 3-speed automatic transmission. Features include air conditioning, power brakes, power steering, good tires, and recently installed brakes. The truck runs and drives well and appears ready for regular use. Explorer trim packages added comfort and style, making them increasingly popular among collectors of 1970s Ford trucks. Number 14, 1973 Dodge Power Wagon W200, $4,500, Redmond, Oregon. This 1973 Dodge Power Wagon W200 is a rugged four-wheel drive classic with tremendous character. Powered by a V8 engine and automatic transmission, it benefits from numerous recent repairs including transfer case work, new universal joints, spark plugs, and fresh seals. While the transmission leak and aging water pump require attention, the truck reportedly drives straight and features excellent power steering. Power wagons are legendary for their durability and off-road capability, making them highly desirable among vintage truck enthusiasts. Number 15, 1989 Ford F-250 Lariat Extended Cab 4WD $3,000, Bartlesville, Oklahoma. This 1989 Ford F-250 Lariat Extended Cab 4WD
is an appealing restoration candidate powered by the sought-after 460 cubic inch V8 and a manual transmission. With only 65,139 original miles, it offers substantial long-term potential despite currently being parked due to a failed fuel pump. Features such as air conditioning, cruise control, four-wheel drive, and a Dana front axle add to its desirability. Low-mileage, Lariat-equipped F-Series trucks from this era are becoming increasingly difficult to find, making this a promising project for Ford enthusiasts.